breaking update coming in. Nikki's sister-in-law has claimed that Nikki and Kanchan both used to beat her up. She further added that Bhikhari Singh and my mother-in-law, in fact, used to harass me for dowry. My husband Rohit also used to beat me a lot, and they even fired a shot at my brother. Speaking about Vipin's family, sister-in-law Meenakshi said that the family is not like that at all. They are very well-off family. Nikki's sister-in-law has claimed that she was forced to undergo abortion twice. Meenakshi Bhatti, married in 2016, was tortured by Nikki's family and father for dowry. Her father gave Sia's car and 31 tola gold for dowry, but Nikki's family wanted Scorpio, and she even claimed that Nikki and Kanchan torture her. In fact, she had to save her life. So this is another twist in the Noida dowry case. Now Nikki's sister-in-law has leveled a big charge. Let me go across to my colleague Akhil, who's been tracking this story very closely. Akhil, tell us about this big twist in the case. Now another dowry allegation that has come to the fore, this time from the sister-in-law of Nikki.
That's right, Akanksha. If you see what has happened, there's a big twist. And that twist is that initially what we have been seeing, that Nikki's family has been constantly claiming that they are the victim in this case. But right now, the information that we have received from another family, they are saying that they are not who are the oppressed, they are the oppressors. And why this claim is being made by Meenakshi? Meenakshi is the sister-in-law of Nikki, and she has claimed that when she got married back then in 2016, after that what has happened, that Nikki's brother used to ask for dowry, and after that what has happened, that Meenakshi's parents has given them Sia's car, and apart from that 31 kg of jewelry was also given to Nikki's family. And after that what we have got to learn, that they kept on demanding such incremental dowry, and after that Nikki's family opposed to it, and then what we have got to learn, that the Nikki's family were pretty hesitant in keeping Meenakshi at their home. So they sent Meenakshi back home to live with their parents. And after that what we have got to know, that Rohit, who is the brother of Nikki, got separated with Meenakshi. And if you see, after a few years, after 5 to 6 years, what we have got to learn, that there is a new twist. And new twist came on August 21st when Nikki was burnt alive. And in this case what we have got to learn, that there were 4 main accused who have been arrested by the Gautam Budh Nagar police team. And in what we have seen, that Nikki's husband has been initially arrested. After that Nikki's husband's mother was also arrested, and his brother was also arrested, and Nikki's brother-in-law, who is the Jet, Rohit, has also been arrested in connection with the case. So far 4 arrests have been made. And if you see, since beginning what we have been learning, that it's the Nikki's family who were being oppressed by the Bhatti's family. But right now what has happened, that another family has came forward, and they have basically made several claims that this very family, that means Nikki's family, has been also demanding for dowry. So at the center of the entire story, if you see, the dowry is over there, where both the families have been demanding money from each other. And there's one more family, which is the Rohit's in-laws family, that has also claimed that this family has been demanding approximately 35 lakh rupees worth in cash, 1 Sia's car, and 31 kg of 31 kg gold in that case.
Absolutely. In fact, these are the allegations that have come to the fore against the victim's family, leveled by Nikki's sister-in-law. Listen into what she said.
क्या नाम है आपका?
मीनाक्षी भाटी।
मीनाक्षी जी, क्या आपके साथ?
मेरे को दहेज के लिए 9 साल हो गई, मुझे घर से बेघर कर रखा है मेरे ससुराल वालों ने। मुझसे दहेज मांगते हैं, वहाँ पर ले जाते तो मेरे साथ मारपीट करते थे, मुझे मारा करते थे, मेरे भैया पे गोली तक चलाई थी उन्होंने।
आज अपनी बेटी को कैसे मांग रहे हो, दूसरी बेटी को न्याय नहीं कर सकते, वो कैसे मांग रहे हो?
हाँ जी, मैं सिर्फ यही कहना चाहूंगी कि जो बाप अपनी बेटी के लिए इंसाफ मांग रहा है, वो दूसरे की बेटी जो पीहर में छोड़ रखी है, जो घर से बेघर कर रखी है, उसे भी इंसाफ दिला दो। पहले उसके लिए सोचो जो 9 साल से कर रखी है, तेरी तो आज हुई है, उस बेटी के लिए भी सोच लो। मेरे सिर पे बाप नहीं है, भैया है मेरे से छोटे है, क्या स्थिति होगी मेरी?
कंचन जो पिता हैं, वो आपसे किस तरह की डिमांड करते थे दहेज की?
डिमांड करते रहते थे, वो कभी 5 लाख रुपए लाओ, कभी 10 लाख रुपए लाओ अपने पापा से, कभी 2 लाख रुपया लेकर आओ। बाप आते तो उनके मुंह भरते रह गए। अब बाप नहीं है तो मुझे हमेशा के लिए छोड़ दिया। जब मुझे लेके तो जाते थे वो 6-6 महीने के लिए, 2-2 साल के लिए छोड़ते थे, तो 6 महीने के लिए पापा के उससे लेके भी जाते थे जब उन्होंने कुछ मिल जावे। अब
ऐसा भी सुनने में आया कि आपका अबॉर्शन हुआ कई बार।
हाँ जी, मेरी सास ने करवाया था। मुझे ऐसी दवाई देती थी कि ये कुछ दवाई होती है देसी दवाई, जब बच्चे रहते हैं कि सह बदलने की दवाई होती है, वो कि लड़का हो जाएगा लड़की की। क्यों लड़की की अच्छी नहीं लगती? जो आज कह रहा है कि लड़की नहीं रहेगी,
दवाई कौन देता?
हाँ, लड़की नहीं रहेंगी तो लड़का कहाँ से आएंगे? उनसे ये पूछो कि आज उस बेटी को भी आप सह बदल की दवाई क्यों देवे?
हाँ, झूठ बोल के खिलाते,
झूठ बोल के गलत दवाई खवाते थे मुझे। जिस
आप लोगों ने शादी में कितना पैसा खर्च किया था?
ये 35-40 लाख के करीब खर्च हो गया था।
शादी के समय क्या क्या दिया था आप लोगों ने?
पापा जी ने बहुत कुछ दिया था, हद से ज्यादा दिया था, जैसे हर कोई बाप अपनी बेटी को देता है। सियाज गाड़ी दी थी, 21 तोला सोना दिया था, बाकी सब चीज दी थी जो होती है फर्नीचर वगैरह।
150 जोड़ी कपड़ा।
हाँ जी।
Shifting our focus to a breaking update.